As a video content creator or someone who is aspiring to become one, you need to do something that is very, very simple to keep users engaged to your content, and that is adding captions to your videos. You see, captions like this will keep your users engaged because sometimes they may not understand what you are saying as a result of you not being audible enough. But these captions will keep them engaged to the last part of the video. And the good news is that you don't need to pay for any software or for any application before you can start adding nice captions to your video. Let me show you exactly how to do this. Alright guys, so make sure you have this app downloaded, CapCut Video Editor by Dance, the owner of TikTok. So once you have the application, just open it. Once it's open, you can start any project directly without even sign up or login. So click on new project. Now it will show all the videos you have on your device. So click on the video you want to add caption to. In my own case, I'm just going to add caption to this guy. Yeah. So when you select the video, you can click on add here at the bottom right corner here. So click on add. So let's play what we have here. So we have
hello, good morning.
So for this, let me just use this quotes. That's I will not waste time. Right.
Hello, good morning.
All right.
How are you doing?
So I have a video here already. So I want to add caption to this particular video. We come down straight. We have a lot of tools you can use here, but the one we want to use here is called captions. So click on caption, and you see the screen. It asks if you want to generate video from video. Of course, yes. Then it asks you for the template. You can choose any templates for now. You can always change the template later. So I select one template, then finally you click on generate. Wait until it's done. In just a few seconds, it will be done. So 98, 99. It's all right. So can you see that the caption is generated by AI? You can play it.
Hello, good morning. How are you doing?
In case you notice that what the caption is writing is very different from what you're actually saying, you can just click on it, then manually edit it yourself. As you can
Hello,
see,
good morning. How are you doing?
the caption is there. You can move the caption wherever you maybe move to the top, move it down, move wherever you like. You can also style it. If you come down, you see style, edit caption, duplicate, delete, text to speech. So let me just try to change the style. So remember we selected a template when we started, but I'm changing template to this guy, this first one.
Hello, good morning. How are you doing?
So you can experiment with this. Then finally you click on export.